Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. This is my KOBOT RV353 is the model number. My last video I was going over a few issues I was having with it. One of the issues I was having is my roller was coming disconnected. Don't mind my little kitty. So what was happening is one side of the roller was becoming disconnected, and when the vacuum was running it would stop after about 5 seconds and beep, and I'll show you how to fix that. It's very simple. So I'll zoom in. As you can see, the side with the grooves on it actually pulls out, allowing you to lift the roller out, and on the other end is a little pin that actually goes right in there. So how to put it in is just line up the pin end, and then on the other end the roller snaps in. Let's move the little bristles, and it can only go in one way. If you can see, it's squared at that end, and it's going to go into right there. So again, one end has the pin that goes in. You put the pin in, and then on the other end has the square latch, and as you can see, it's in there nice and firm. What was happening is it was picking up bits and pieces of carpet, as you can see, and these little pieces were getting jammed in the ends here, causing the roller to actually push out, and it would become disconnected. So again, these are replaceable. So again, very simple fix. Clean the carpet or hair or whatnot that gets stuck on both ends, and then reinsert it, and that fixes one of the major issues I was having with the vacuum cleaner. So now I can see it's in there nice and firm, and it spins freely now. The other issue I'm having is trying to open up the door where your dirt canister actually goes into. If you can't open the door, you can't actually empty where the dirt is collected at. And as you can see, when I press the button, and I'm pressing very hard, it's not opening. So how I ended up opening it is I had to put a knife in here, press the button down, and pry it open. So I was putting the knife in here and prying it up. It attempts to open it. There we go. And that allows you to at least open it. And what's causing the issue is when you press this button down, this little black piece should actually be going in. And as you can see, it's not, barely moving. I'm pushing really hard on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some penetrating fluid and actually just put a tiny little bit in there to see if that will allow it to slide easier. Again, it's just a regular penetrating fluid similar to WD-40. I'm just going to put a tiny little drop. Don't want to put too much in because it is electrical. So after I put a little penetrating fluid in, it is going in and out much better. So again, if you have a KOBOT RV353, if you're having issues opening the door, just pry it open gently so you don't crack the cover. Put a little bit of penetrating fluid in there, and once you get it working, press it down quite a bit to get some lubrication in there so it actually slides back and forth freely. Let's give it a try with the dust tray in there. So again, it was just as simple as putting some penetrating fluid in this little area here, spraying it more so it's going in between the button and the little black lip, as you can see right there, and then again work it in and out quite a few times. There we go. Easy fix that anybody can do at home, and literally it costs nothing to fix. So the last thing I have to do underneath is just put on this cover. Again, it just snaps into there. The grooves. And this helps trap the dirt when it's going forward in this direction. Alright, so let's actually see if this thing's going to work now. Just going to turn it on. There we go, guys, it's all fixed. Again, a very easy fix. Underneath I showed you how to fix the issue with the roller, so always check to make sure there's nothing tangled around both ends of the roller. If there is, you know how to pop it off now and clean it and put it back on. And again, how to fix the dust tray. There we go, it's working great now. Very happy. And again, these fixes literally only take a minute or two to fix. Anyways, guys, just a short video on an update on fixing the KOBOT robotic vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.